Hi, small business owner. It's Andrea Feinberg, bossonthebeach.com and marketingmagictips.com. And I have a question for you. How can someone sell you a process? 5 steps, 10 steps, 1,000 steps, any process that's worked for other businesses in other professions and industries and expected to work for you without knowing anything about you, the value you deliver, the goals you have, the priorities that you value? Well, there's a simple answer, and it's this. It's a process that takes as its centerpiece the very uniqueness of who you are, what your business does, and how it delivers value to its audience, your audience. And that's a process, a 7-step process that I turned to when the pandemic struck last year and we were all told shift, pivot, shift, pivot. And I didn't want to get dizzy, so I pivoted once. I incorporated a 7-step process, and my business prospered and continues to grow in a way I haven't seen in a long time. And I'd like to share it with you, and that's what I plan to do next Monday, the 28th, 4:30 p.m. Eastern on Zoom. There's no charge to attend. There isn't even a charge to implement this 7-step process, so I'll bet that sounds good. The details to register are here on the page, so I hope you'll let your finger do the walking and click, and then join me next Monday afternoon, 4:30 Eastern. Hang out in your favorite chair, bring the beverage of choice, and learn how to make shift happen in a way that's meaningful for you and your business with a simple, free 7-step process. Look forward to seeing you then. Till then, have a great, productive day. Bye-bye.